So this is how you do. You can either use this place or you use this leg. On me, I normally use this part of the body, this leg. Right, so I don't have table here. Table is the best thing to use. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on when you're watching me. Welcome to Eface Group once again. This is the way to subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok for more updates about rabbit farming, everything about agriculture and business growth. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to administer medication to rabbits. This is avamantine. We have various medication for rabbits, but today we're administering avamantine. Avamantine is used to deworm your rabbit or to treat sawhawk. I'm going to show you how the sawhawk look like. Today I'm treating sawhawk. There's this doe here. She has sawhawk, so I'm going to treat it. One thing you have to know before you start this administering of medication, you have to check the weight of your rabbit. The weight to determine the particular dosage you are going to use. I'm going to use 0.5 ml because she's a mature doe and she has weight. But for a smaller one, let's say 4 months old and all that, you can use 0.3 ml, 0.2 ml, depending on how small they are. So join me as we do this. You have to come outside. Inside is dark, it's kind of cloudy. It rained. That's Calabar for you. It's always raining. This is December 2nd and we're still having rain. Alright, so this is the avamantine and this is my injection. So all you just have to do is just to put it inside and draw it in. Let me show you. I'm going to take out 0. Let me turn it so you can see. Taking out 0.5 ml. Alright, let me check. 0.5. Okay, it's not. Alright, gotten it. One thing you have to notice that you have to pump out the air just like I did now. In case there's air, make sure you pump out the air from it before you do it. Now let's administer this. So this is how you do. You can either use this place or you use this leg. On me, I normally use this part of the body, this leg. Right, so I don't have table here. Table is the best thing to use, but you can use this one. Right, so you just divide this right leg into two and take the upper part. You divide this right leg into two and look for the muscle. This is, we have IV, this is IM and IV. I have intervene and intermuscular. We are giving intermuscular, so we are giving the muscle. So I've just located particular muscle and I just send it in. Then I just send it gradually, slowly. Alright, sorry. Alright, so that is it. You just apply pressure on it like it's human being. Yeah, almost like human being. So guys, this is how to administer medication to your rabbits. Please follow me for more insight about rabbit farming and how to take care of rabbits. Calm down. Alright, thank you. Please do follow me and God bless.